if you want to move the sprite like this without turning around in all the direction when you press the arrows, how would you write the scripts? If you really want to know how to do this, you have to know what the coordinates is in our Scratch. Basically, we have x coordinate and the y coordinate. And for x coordinate, the minimum number is negative 240, but the maximum number is 240 on this point. For y coordinate, the maximum value is 180, and the minimum one is 180 negative. And the center one will be x0 and y0 coordinate. So if you don't want your sprite to turn around all the time when it is moving, so when you write the script, when the up arrow is pressed, then just change y coordinate by 10. The y coordinate will be increased by 10 without turning the sprite. Now let's see what happens when I press the up arrow. It will be like this. Every time when I press the up arrow, the y coordinate will be increased by 10. How about moving the sprites downward? Now just set the when down arrow is pressed, it changed the y coordinate by negative 10. So when I press the down arrow, the y axis, you can see the y coordinate, that part will be moving in negative 10. Actually, similar concept apply on right arrow and left arrows, but then it is not changing the y coordinate. Instead of changing y coordinate, we change the x coordinate. For example, when we use the right arrow, we can ask the sprite to change x by 10, and when we press the left arrow, we change x by negative 10. Let's see what happens. So when I press the right arrow, it moves to the right. When I press the left arrow, it points toward the left. How about if I want to move back the sprite back to the center part, I just press the flat and move back to the 0, 0 coordinate. Because I have written the script like this, when the flat is clicked, then go to x0 and y0. And actually, how can you find out this change y by something, change x by something, or go to somewhere? It's all motions, and you can find all these blocks under motion. Okay, so change x by something, change y by something, go to x and y somewhere. Okay, now finally see whether you can do this. Now when I press the A button, the helicopter will move like this. Can you do this yourself?